Hello, today we will guide you through how to CFD trade on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll move from opening the platform to submitting your first CFD order. Keep in mind that contracts for difference are leveraged products, which means both potential gains and losses are magnified. Trade carefully and only with money you can afford to risk. Start by opening the Trading 212 platform in your web browser or app. Once it loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a large drop-down that lets you switch between different account modes. Click that drop-down and choose the CFD mode. This ensures you're viewing the interface designed specifically for CFD trading, including access to instruments like indices, currencies, commodities, and shares via contracts. With CFD mode active, head to the top right of the screen and select the search field. Type the ticker or name of the instrument you want to trade. As you type, you'll see a list of matching results. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the correct CFD instrument, since some assets have multiple listings. When you found the one you want, click it to open its chart and trading panel. Now you'll decide on direction. If you think the price will rise, choose Buy to go long. If you expect the price to fall, choose Sell to go short. This is one of the advantages of CFDs. You can attempt to benefit from both upward and downward moves. Before proceeding, glance at the spread and any overnight financing details so you know your potential costs. Next, enter the value you wish to trade. You can typically set this by amount or by quantity, and the platform will display the required margin and the estimated cost in real time. Follow the on-screen prompts. They'll guide you through the order ticket, showing key details like your instrument, direction, position size, and any applicable fees. Adjust the numbers until they align with your plan and risk tolerance. When everything looks right, choose Review Order. This is your final checkpoint. Confirm the instrument, whether you're buying or selling, the size of the position, the margin requirement, and any charges displayed. If something doesn't match your intention, go back and edit before continuing. If you're satisfied, click Submit Buy or Submit Sell to place the order. You should see a confirmation from the platform. From here, you can monitor the position in your portfolio and manage it as market conditions evolve. That's the process from start to finish. Thanks for following along, and trade safely.